Today, we're going to talk about what happens after a concussion. A concussion occurs from an indirect or a direct hit, resulting in a violent jarring or shaking of the brain, resulting in disturbance of brain function. Within our brain and our body, we have nerve cells called neurons. Neurons communicate with each other on tasks that we need to accomplish throughout the day. Just like walkie-talkies, neurons provide an immediate feedback on the task we need to accomplish. After an injury occurs to the brain, there's a decrease in blood flow, which results in an increase in energy demand. We will go back to the walkie-talkie example. Imagine you're a construction worker on the slow and stop signs on either side of the construction. Imagine if you're trying to communicate with the other side about letting cars through, but then there's so much interference you cannot understand or communicate with your coworker on the other side. Just like after an injury occurs to the brain, this happens within those nerve cells with communicating. After a concussion occurs, there is still that increased energy demand from the decreased blood flow to the brain. Imagine if the neurons had to communicate with walkie-talkies. There would be so much interference between the two of them, they would not be able to communicate effectively. In this condition, continuous cell death or serious cell damage can result from injury or stress. These are possible signs and symptoms that can occur after concussion that you may witness. The determining factor of what signs and symptoms you might see all come down to what parts of the brain has the damage. Are there any questions?